Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch movies online with your friends using Discord. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. First of all, you need to create a server to watch movies online with your friends. I already have a server with voice channel. If you don't have one, scroll down the left pane, tap on the plus icon and create your own server. Just follow simple steps. So now on your server, go to voice channel, activate it, join voice. Now drag up this bottom panel and share your screen. Select entire screen, tap on start. Now minimize Discord but don't close. And open any streaming app or web browser, any source from which you wish to stream your movie. Let's open HBO Max so far. Now select any movie you wish to stream. Tap on watch or watch again. And now all your friends can join your voice channel and watch the movie, and what's especially nice is discussing it out loud online. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.